Alright, so we're going to write in vertex form 2x squared plus 3x plus 8, the difference being with the other ones that we have a coefficient, a number in front of the x squared. So our first step with this, okay, is to find, well, not a common factor, we take out take out the number in front of x squared as a factor. Okay, everybody just stop writing and just watch for the moment, okay? I'll let you copy it down in a second. So this is where you really need to be good at either using your calculator or fractions. So I'm going to take 2 outside as a factor of all of this. Okay? So think to yourself, I want hands up. 2 multiplied by what gives me 2x squared? Damon?
2 multiplied by x squared.
Right, x squared. So the first term in here is x squared. 2 multiplied by, stop writing Gresson, what gives me 3x. We need to be careful here, okay? 2 multiplied by what gives me 3x? Liam? 1.5x. Now, how did you get that?
Well, I mean, half of 3 is 1.5.
Right.
Has an x in front of it.
Yep, it's half of 3, okay? Because it's the 2 outside, okay?
Yeah.
Now, how do I write that as a fraction?
As a fraction.
Yep, 1.5 as a fraction.
Proper or improper?
Improper.
Improper. So that would be 3 over 2.
Yep, 3 over 2. So we got plus 3 over 2x. Now, if you had 1.5 and you don't know how to change it into a fraction, what button do you press?
Maybe F to
No?
D.
Yeah, you do use your F to D button, okay? And it might write it as this.
Wait, it would be. Sorry, you have to press second and then like.
You get
Yes,
1
yep.
half.
Second and then PRB.
Yes.
You just get 1 U 1 1/2.
Yep, and then you can change that by using your second ABC button to change it into 3 over 2. Right. 2 multiplied by what gives me 8, Ian?
I was going to say it.
Okay, so we get 4. When you get down to this step, you follow the previous method for everything inside these big square brackets, okay? But you have to keep writing down the number outside. So what was our first step when we do these questions? What's our first step?
You find half of the 3x.
Half of the middle term,
Yeah.
okay? So I've got x squared, we write it all down, plus 3 over 2x. What is half of 3 over 2? Hands up, hands up. Grayson?
1.5 over 2.
Yes, but we want to have it. I want you to tell me it as an improper fraction,
As a mixed number.
or as just as a fraction.
3 over 4.
3 over 4, okay? So think, if I want half of 3 over 2, half of 1.5, it's like I'm multiplying, okay? It's 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4. So I get plus. And what do I do to that?
Subtract it.
I square it,
Yeah.
subtract it,
And then add 4.
and then I still got my plus 4.
This is whack.
It's
Just
just
do
one
it.
extra step.
Yeah.
It is just one extra step, but you have to be good at your fractions and things. Right. These first 3 terms are going to combine to give what? Ian.
X squared.
Not x
Oh,
squared,
sorry,
just
yeah,
just
plus
x.
3 over 4.
Right, x plus 3 over 4. Good. Okay, x plus 3 over 4.
And then on the outside, minus 3. No, you have to first square it.
Yep, so minus.
And then that would be minus 9 over 16.
Good, 9 over 16. And then I've got plus 4.
That plus 4, it would be 55 over 16.
Right, so I've got 2 outside. I've got x plus 3 over 4. I've got minus 9 over 16 plus 4.
And
That equals 4 and 9 over 16. But we have to put it into improper.
Yeah, put it as an improper fraction for me.
Oh,
3 and 7 over 16.
Okay, put it as improper.
55 over 16.
So we should get 55 plus 55 over 16. Okay, so these steps are all exactly the same. Our final step is to then multiply out by the 2, by the number in front, okay? So when I do 2, Grayson, can you pay attention?
Yep.
When I multiply by this by the 2, I get 2 bracket x plus 3 over 4. Now I could multiply all that out further, but I'm not going to. We just want to have it like that. 2 multiplied by 55 over 16. You can do that in your calculator. Do it.
55 over 8.
Ah!
And you get 55 over 8. Good, Ian. Alright, and we are done. So what is the vertex in this example?
-3 over 4, 55 over 8.
Yeah, you take this one, change the sign, keep the other one. You have to have a really good knowledge of how to do your fractions or how to use your calculator correctly, okay? Because it can get quite confusing, okay? So let's practice some of these. I'll just stop this.